So we start off today's video with someone who is doing a dollar store DIY. So they have some type of wallpaper here and they are applying it around their bed. I guess they're trying to do like an accent wall. I didn't even know they had something like this at the dollar store, to be honest. So I'm kind of curious to see how this is going to turn out. Also, I think she probably should have took that mirror down when she was doing this and then hung it back up. Just because if these things are hard to get off the wall, you want to make sure that it's even. But this is pretty, it came out pretty good. Kind of looks like shiplap a little bit, or at least that's what it reminds me of. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas. Ooh, this is making me hungry. So I love these decorative canisters that they created. And then we have someone painting their laminate cabinets. Oh, I love the emerald green color. That's really pretty. I think that might actually be trending right now. Gorgeous. It's like a nice pop of color. When you want your bathroom to feel more open and luxurious, 9-foot curtains. Okay, nice little tip. Then we have some DIY decorative books. So this is a great hack. You can buy these books from like the dollar store or take some old ones you have and then make like your own little printed paper and just bam. Make your own little designer decorative books. This is a really good idea. Oh, she even did a fake little Chanel thing. Like perfume bottle or whatever. Oh no, a vase. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty. Amazon floral arrangement. So this is like very Valentine's Day friendly. Love the sweethearts around the vase. This is cute. And those tulips look absolutely gorgeous. They actually look real. That shelf isn't renter friendly. Hung up with command hooks. Oh, so she's doing like renter friendly tips. Oh, a DIY table. Very nice. That's like a really cute coffee table. Then we have someone doing a floral arrangement. Spring is on the horizon, so I love looking at these beautiful orchids. Ooh. Now, if you saw this from afar, you would probably think that this is real, to be honest. At least I would. Really pretty. Oh, this has to be another DIY table. Glue the decorative molding. So they're painting it. Oh wow, I like the square shape. And this kind of has like a rustic feel to it, but I really like that. Oh, so she's stenciling her wall. Oh wow, this is nice. Now this would definitely be a lot of work, but I love this. She has like a black and white bathroom. So pretty. So we have someone making some canvas art. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. Such a cool idea too. Wow, that came out absolutely gorgeous. Looks like she spent a lot of money on that. A year later, I'm finally adding a runner on the stairs. Oh, that's really cute. It's like a zebra print. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. DIY wall mirror. So you guys have seen a similar hack before. You're basically like putting the mirrors together to make like one larger one. I love these DIY projects. Dollar Tree hack. So they have a bunch of wood. Wow. Making some cool wood shelves. Wow, this man is simply a genius. You can put your wine there on the side. Very clever. What? Oh my gosh, this is insane. Wow, what a great hack for doing like faux wood for the flooring. This is absolutely incredible. Now, I don't advise doing this in like your bathroom, but oh, she is putting it in her bathroom. Oh no, I wouldn't trust that. Now the bedroom I would do. Or like the living room, that would be cool. Wow. Is this the same woman that was doing the flooring? Wow, she's really good. If that is her, she's found a great way to hack doing some clever installs. Pill and stick isn't an upgrade. Yeah, I absolutely think pill and stick is definitely an upgrade. We have upgraded our house so many times with pill and stick, and evidently so has she. This is absolutely incredible. You can do so many things with peel and stick tile, it's not even funny. You can easily transform a space, it's incredible. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out these DIY projects with me today. Hope they were able to inspire you. If they did, please be sure to give them a big thumbs up this video. And of course, check out this one if you want to see even more DIY project ideas and reactions.